Oh, all right. Hello. All right, I got it. All right. Yep.
Hey,
I
Sergeant
need the
Clark,
phone
where
up.
do you want him?
Sergeant's office. I'm about to take him to the shower.
Okay.
Hey, you remember last week I called you about the one, that special one we're supposed to be getting? Well, we got another one, a different one. It's the same thing. So I'm gonna need a room either in Tier U. Not yet. I just got off the phone with Smith. Yeah, I'm about to get him processed through. Yes.
Getting close.
Did they say that?
Yeah,
Huh?
they said well,
No.
so in theory, so what happens
We're gonna just walk
is
back in here.
it's an editable PDF. So when they do that, they click the submit form, so it might go straight to them. But I just want to make, like I said, I want to make sure, because I expected there to be like a paper, like a physical paper waiting for me, but if not, then at least you have what
We
you,
have
All right.
what we need.
Yeah, if you get.
you have what you
Hey.
need. They may not.
He's got to go right to the shower. Camera on.
I know that
Right there.
there was a lot of disrespect back in the days. Now, a lot of people I talk to.
Come on. Perkins, just have a seat, okay?
Where'd I go?
Yes, one. No, you come in this way. You come with us.
Hey, be safe.
Like basically this goes in there.
W1 for W3.
Going around over here.
Go for W3. Mental health is 1019.
He's
Want me to put
Buck-
straight at Clark?
Buckner.
You're gonna go straight in front of the medical side?
Yes.
Stager. Man, be safe. Have a good one. Might need a shower.
Yep.
I've been waiting for one all damn day.
All right, I'm turning the camera off for privacy for a shower.